So, good morning. We have completed our marine engineering recording part. The course content actually basic thermodynamics we had I've taught. Then heat transfer, turbine, pump, ice engine, steam engine, boiler, gas turbine, power transmission, fuel lubrication, HVAC, firefighting, waste handling, waste water, oily water separation, electrical systems. So those basic systems I have all I included some basic part plus some mathematical part. So for your exam purpose, you should go through details of the courses, and there are lots of links are given when I was preparing the lecture. So all content was not available in single book, so I consulted in different course material from different websites, company websites, some specific books. So some specific book already there, but still there are some extra thing needed for your basic understanding. This is the second year level course, undergrad level course. So I try to give all the basic part, uh, and I try to give some ready-made problem, and some problem I created myself. If there is any error, you should report me so that I can rectify. I can put in. I can edit the video again, maybe. Uh, so let's see what I taught. So basic thermodynamics. This is actually basically a recap part. You have learned already in your first year engineering course or second year engineering course. Then we have learned this heat transfer part. Heat transfer also very much basic part, like how there are three mode of heat transfer. Conduction, convection, radiation. So some mathematical calculations, some basic studies we have discussed. Then turbine pump, especially pump part is very much integral for your marine machinery, because pump is required for many purposes. And for example, your pump is needed. Propeller is also on pump, because propeller is driving fluid. So pump is needed for your deck cleaning purposes, for bilge water cleaning purposes, for refrigeration system, for your incinerator system. So everywhere pump is required. So pump part you should not forget, you should focus on that one. Then next is IC engine. So many ships will be driven by IC engines, small or big engines, and IC engine will be producing power, and that power can go directly to the propeller. Sometimes the power will be stored in battery. You convert one generator will be connected to IC engine. IC engine, that power will be converted to electricity. So mechanical to electrical energy conversion. Then from there you store, or directly you run your propeller system or other machinery system. For lighting system, you need air conditioning systems. So everywhere you need electricity actually. So that purpose will be done through electrical systems. Now we discuss steam turbine, boiler. We discuss about turbine, gas turbine system. So these are prime movers or main power producing machines. So without those machines, your whole ship will not get any power. Okay, so these days, although alternative sources are there, for example solar power boat coming up, or many tests are going on with hydrogen power, hydrogen fuel cell, or hydrogen power, maybe IC engine they can use, or directly solar plus hybrid, diesel plus electric, or diesel plus solar plus your fuel cell. So lots of combination, that research is going on, but you have to know the basic part what is going on. Then you can add your advanced part. So advanced part, it will take some time, the technology will be matured, then people will be using more. So presently those, let's say for example fuel cell and other, those are in experimental stage. So many shipping companies, they are experimenting, many new companies are coming, they are experimenting with newer type fuels. Sometimes they are using biodiesel sort of thing. Sometimes they are trying to use hydrogen, solar power, or some other power sources they are trying to use. And nuclear power already there for certain applications. Then power transmission. So you produce power from IC engine, gas turbine engine, or steam engine. Then how to transmit power? So one way is that directly you connect shaft and propeller will be rotating. Another way is that you produce electricity, then electricity you transfer to your propeller or thruster, and you move your vehicle, okay, or vessel. Next is fuel and lubrication. So when you have prime mover, one is battery storage and other sources things are there, but still diesel, you are depending on diesel or other fuels. Okay, so fuel you have to carry, and you have to know fuel properties, you have to know lubrication, because whole machinery, when a rotating machine is there, or let's say motor, generator, anything is there, so lubrication is one integrated part of this one. So we discussed that one also. Now heating, ventilation, air conditioning. So ship will be moving from one country to another country, one port to another port. For example Chennai temperature is a 30 degree, 35 degree. So and normally when you are going on a vessel, so temperature will be very hot, actually hot and humid. So in that case survival is very much difficult. So in that case you need to remove temperature and moisture content also you have to reduce from your cabin space or other spaces. In many cases, let's say winter season, snowfall is there, so in that case you have to increase temperature. So how to do it? So we have discussed in that HVAC lecture. Then firefighting, if there is any fire, how to handle this one. So you have several machinery. We discussed about machinery part, not about in application part like management part. Then waste handling. Waste means like lots of waste will be produced if passenger is there. So those, how to handle that waste, how to handle this oily water. Oily water means some oil content is in water, lots of water you are producing, so you cannot dispose anywhere because a MARPOL instruction is there. Even incinerator is there. All incinerator also be reducing the produced waste. It will be burning. Oily water case, you'll be removing oil particle, then you are disposing. So MARPOL instruction or regulatory body instruction you have to follow. Okay. Then you have electrical systems. So lots of electrical systems are there, but because of in one course everything cannot be given, I have given some short introduction. But if you go for further study, then there will be several other NPTEL lectures, you can follow that one. So thank you very much. I hope you have learned lots of things about marine engineering, shapes, different machineries, and I hope this NPTEL course will be very much beneficial for you and your career, for your degree. Thank you very much.